Hi everyone, this is a video from HZAU-BioNLP team and is to introduce the HZAC project in BLA. BLA is an abbreviation for Biomedical Linked Annotation Hackathon and is an annual hackathon event aiming on the open cooperation of resources and technologies in BioNLP field. This year, BLA 7 is an online event and is organized with a special theme, COVID-19. It focused on the literature that related to COVID-19 and answered the question how far natural language processing technology can help to fight COVID-19. You can find the link of this event at this page. HZAC corpus aims to annotate the functional mutations and subsequent biological processes. The variation named entities and other 4 bioconcept named entities are able to help recognize the mutation semantic and the subsequent biological processes in text. And the direction of the mutation on biological processes are annotated by 3 regulatory named entities. Besides, 2 types of thematic roles are designed to annotate the semantic relations between the entities. Here is a dynamic presentation of the mind knowledge by using AGAC. The colorful nodes are the words that are annotated by AGAC labels, and the lines between them are the relations. There are 2 main topics in AGAC project. The first one, what is next? After extracting tons of information in COVID-19 literature by applying AGAC. As introduced before, HZAC is designed to extract the relation between variation and subsequent biological processes. After these informations are obtained from COVID-19 literature, we're concerned about what kind of technologies or biological analysis can be applied to unveil the underlying knowledge. Second, how to make the extracted information from text mining can really contribute to fighting COVID-19. This is the main question from BLA 7, Natural Language Processing Help to Fight COVID-19. And how can the information really help? Does it helpful to the mechanism research of the virus, or does it helpful to clinical diagnosis? The topic also includes the analysis of HZAC corpus designed for drug, mutation, gene, protein, pathway mining for the sake of containing COVID-19. Since drug repurposing is one of the HZAC application, we want to discuss whether it is useful or whether it is applicable for COVID-19. Besides, the entities that HZAC designed, the mutation, gene, protein, and pathway are also included in this discussion. Here is an early example of AGAC applying on COVID-19. We extracted the biological processes and genes that are co-occurred in sentence level, and the figure shows the related biological processes of HZAU gene. The thickness of the lines indicated the frequency of the co-occurrence. From the figure, we can infer that the glycosylation of HZAU was negatively regulated, while the mRNA expression of this gene was positively regulated. The biological processes cell fusion and the function of luciferase were also enhanced, which may be related to HZAU. Besides, gene AMPEP is also related to enhanced luciferase. Therefore, to some extent, there were some similarities between AMPEP and the HZAU gene. Another example is the related processes and genes of CRP. 2 related biological processes of CRP was negatively regulated, the liver enzyme and the lymphocyte count. And the gene MB shared the same processes changed with CRP, which indicated the similarity between them. The figure shows the whole result, and the earlier examples are selected from this complicated network. Here we just present an example about the extracting biological processes from literature, and the variation annotations were not used in this occasion. However, if you are interested in how the COVID-19 evolved through the variation and how the variation influenced the biological processes of this virus, you can try to use HZAU with all the annotations as the training set. If you are interested about this project, there are available data and resources. This is the end of this video. Thank you for listening, and welcome to participating HZAU project in Block 7.